Did you hear about the Christmas tree that couldn't sew? It always dropped its needles. Now that we've got the festive humor flowing, let's dive into the magic of creating our own Christmas decorations. We'll be exploring a range of holiday adornments, from glistening ornaments to captivating wreaths and delightful stockings. So, gather your crafting spirit and your love for all things Christmas. Now, who's ready to transform their home into a winter wonderland without the frostbite? First up on our merry journey, we're crafting some jolly ornaments. Ready to deck the halls with some DIY magic? Let's jump right in. We start with the basics: some craft paper, a sprinkle of glitter, a dash of glue, and a burst of creativity. Remember, the beauty of this project lies in its simplicity. No need to summon your inner Picasso, unless you want to, of course. Next, it's all about shapes and sizes. Snowflakes, reindeer, stars, or even a Santa. Let your imagination run wild. Cut out your shapes, add a little sparkle with your glitter, and voila! You're halfway there. Now, to give your ornaments that final touch, a little ribbon here, some beads there, and don't forget the hanger. It's all about adding that personal touch that makes each ornament uniquely yours. And there you have it, folks. Ornaments so dazzling even the Grinch would hang them on his tree. Next, we're tackling the centerpiece of Christmas decor, the wreath. The wreath, a symbol of growth and everlasting life, is the perfect way to welcome guests and spread the holiday cheer. Now, the beauty of creating your own wreath is the endless possibilities. You're not just limited to pine branches and red bows, oh no. You can use a variety of materials, from fabric scraps to old book pages, even wine corks. The only limit is your imagination. Start with a basic wreath form. It can be wire, foam, or even a pool noodle. Yes, you heard me right, a pool noodle. Then, simply attach your chosen materials using a hot glue gun or floral wire. You can add in some festive baubles or twinkling lights to amp up the Christmas spirit. Remember, there's no right or wrong here. It's all about expressing your creativity and adding that personal touch. With this beautiful wreath, your door will be the talk of the town, or at least the talk of your street. Scene script. Last but not least, we're sewing some stockings with a twist. Picture this. It's a chilly winter morning. The aroma of hot cocoa wafts through the air, the fireplace crackles, and beneath the grandeur of the Christmas tree, there's a line of stockings, each one as unique as the person it belongs to. Today we're making that picture a reality. The secret to a truly unique Christmas stocking is all about personalization. Think about the person the stocking is for. Are they a music lover? Consider incorporating some musical notes into the design. A passionate baker? How about a little embroidered rolling pin? The sky's the limit. Start with a basic stocking shape. You can create your own template or find plenty online. Once you've got your template, it's time to choose your fabric. Felt, velvet, or even a patchwork of different materials could work. It's all about creating something that screams you. Next, it's on to the fun part, the decorating. Embroidery, sequins, buttons, ribbons, you name it. This is where your stocking really starts to shine. Remember, there's no such thing as overdoing it when it comes to Christmas decorations. Once your stocking is decorated to your heart's content, sew it all together, ensuring you leave the top open for Santa's gifts. Don't forget to add a loop at the top for hanging. And voila, a stocking so charming, Santa might just leave an extra gift. Well, folks, we've decked the halls and jingled all the way. Our Christmas tale has been a whirlwind of glitter, glue, and glee. We've embarked on an ornament extravaganza, transforming dull baubles into sparkling masterpieces. Remember our wreath wonder? We turned simple green branches into an eye-catching festive display. And who could forget the stocking surprise? A classic Christmas staple with our unique DIY twist. Each decoration was a journey, a story of creativity and holiday spirit, and let's not forget that moment when we had more glitter on us than on our crafts. But that's the beauty of DIY. Every splatter of paint, every glitter mishap, it's all part of the fun. So go ahead, display your creations with pride, share them with your loved ones, and spread the Christmas cheer. After all, what's Christmas without a little sparkle and a lot of love? Remember, the best Christmas decorations are the ones made with love, laughter, and maybe a little bit of glitter. Until next time, stay crafty, my friends.